Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering online learning. In today's digital age, online education has become more important than ever. It offers incredible flexibility and access to learning opportunities worldwide, but succeeding in virtual classrooms requires unique skills and strategies. Today, we'll walk you through 6 essential areas that will transform you from a passive online student into an engaged, successful digital learner. Your first crucial step is establishing a dedicated study space, a physical zone that signals to your brain it's time to focus and learn. This space should be free from common household distractions like television, family conversations, or kitchen noise. Key setup tips include choosing a quiet corner of your home or local library, using noise-canceling headphones, and ensuring proper lighting to reduce eye strain. Consistency in your study environment can significantly boost your concentration and help create a routine, making it easier to transition into learning mode each day. Effective time management is your most powerful tool for successfully balancing assignments, virtual lectures, and your personal life. Without the structure of a physical classroom, you become the architect of your own schedule. Essential strategies include using a digital or physical calendar to map out all deadlines, time blocking, and breaks. Break down larger, daunting tasks into smaller, manageable daily or weekly goals. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused 25-minute bursts followed by 5-minute breaks with longer breaks every few cycles. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, tackling critical items when your energy is highest. Schedule buffer time for technical difficulties or unexpected challenges. This approach makes progress feel consistently achievable and prevents overwhelming feelings. Active participation is absolutely key to deepening your understanding and connecting with your online learning community. Don't just passively consume content, become an engaged participant. Ways to stay engaged include participating in discussion forums, asking insightful questions during live virtual classes, and taking active notes. Use digital note-taking tools like Notability or stick with handwritten notes, whatever works best for your learning style. Join or create virtual study groups with classmates and attend all office hours. Your voice adds valuable perspective, helps clarify concepts for others, and fosters a more collaborative learning environment for everyone. Strong communication with instructors and peers is vital for clarifying doubts, seeking assistance, and building academic relationships. Never hesitate to reach out with questions. Instructors are there to support your learning journey. Be clear and concise in your messages, providing necessary context, and respond promptly to emails and discussion posts. Use professional language in all academic communications and collaborate effectively on group projects. Utilize office hours. They're often less crowded in online settings. Remember, building relationships virtually requires more intentional effort. Online learning comes with unique technical challenges that you need to be prepared for. Technology preparation includes keeping all software updated, having backup internet options, and testing your setup before important classes. Familiarize yourself with all required platforms and tools, and keep technical support contacts readily available. For screen fatigue, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. For internet connectivity issues, download materials when possible and have offline backup activities. To combat isolation, schedule virtual coffee chats with classmates and join online study groups. For distractions at home, use website blockers, silence your phone notifications, and inform household members of your schedule. Staying motivated and avoiding burnout are essential for long-term success in online studies. Without the natural energy of a classroom environment, you need to be intentional about maintaining your enthusiasm. Self-care strategies include scheduling regular breaks away from screens and practicing physical activities. Even a 10-minute walk can refresh your mind. Celebrate small victories and completed milestones. Connect with classmates for accountability and support, and maintain hobbies and interests outside of your studies. Set realistic expectations and be kind to yourself when things don't go perfectly. Remember, online learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and prioritize your overall well-being. By consistently implementing these practical strategies, you're not just navigating an online class, you're building a foundation for lifelong learning and personal growth. Online learning offers unique opportunities for flexibility, self-direction, and accessing education from anywhere in the world. Embrace the journey, stay connected with your learning community, and remember that every successful online learner started where you are now. With these tools and strategies, you're well equipped to unlock your full potential in the dynamic and rewarding world of online education. Your success in online learning is not just about completing courses, it's about developing skills that will serve you throughout your career and personal growth journey. You've got this.